Imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee, and making money without ever leaving your home. Sounds like a dream, right? But guess what? Thousands of people are doing it every single day. And today, I'm going to show you how. Which life do you want? The daily grind or financial freedom? Stay till the end, because I'm revealing the best ways to earn online and where to learn the skills to get started today. Now, before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Why is making money online better than traditional jobs? Flexibility. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. No more dragging yourself to a 9-to-5. Unlimited income potential. Your earnings aren't capped by an hourly wage. Online, the sky's the limit. Lower costs. No commuting, no office attire, no expensive lunch breaks, just you and your laptop. Multiple income streams. Unlike a salary job, you can diversify. Imagine having income from 3 to 4 different sources instead of relying on a single paycheck. Automation and passive income. Many online income methods can be automated, allowing you to earn even while you sleep. Global market access. You're not limited to local jobs. Work with clients and customers from around the world. Many people have already earned millions of dollars from different sources by only using their phone or PC. And trust me, you can do it too. You can also earn hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. But how? In this video, I'm going to break down about the sources of online incomes, which skills you need to learn, and where you can learn these skills. At first, let's talk about the best ways to make money online. 1. Freelancing. Sell your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Graphic design, writing, programming, video editing. There's something for everyone. 2. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, blogging. If you can create engaging content, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. The key is consistency and quality. 3. E-commerce and dropshipping. Sell products online through Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon FBA. You don't even need to hold inventory. Print-on-demand services also allow you to sell custom-designed merchandise. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions when people buy through your links. This is a great passive income stream that requires minimal upfront investment. 5. Online courses and coaching. Got expertise? Teach it. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Kajabi let you sell courses worldwide. Coaching programs can also be a lucrative way to earn. 6. Virtual assistants. Many businesses need help with admin tasks, email management, and customer service. If you're organized, this could be a perfect online job. 7. Print-on-demand business. Create and sell designs on t-shirts, mugs, and other merchandise without ever touching inventory. 8. Selling digital products. Ebooks, templates, and digital art are great ways to earn passively without worrying about shipping or inventory. Okay, so now you know the best income sources, and it's true that they will earn you tons of money. But what skills are you going to need to get started? The skills you are going to need are digital marketing, copywriting, video editing, graphics designing, web development, sales, and negotiation. You have learned about the sources of online income and the skills we need to learn to get started. So, where do you learn these skills? Good news. You don't need a college degree. You can learn these skills at home online. Best learning platforms, Udemy and Coursera. It provides affordable, structured courses. YouTube. YouTube contains free, endless tutorials. You can learn any skill through YouTube without even paying a single penny. Skillshare. Great for creative skills like video editing and design. Google Digital Garage provides free digital marketing training. HubSpot Academy. Learn marketing and sales for free. LinkedIn Learning. Great for professional development courses. Codecademy. Learn coding and web development. Elle will put the links on the description box of all the apps and websites I talked about. You can go and check them out. Now, you know everything you need to start your online career. But you have to remember that making money takes time. Some become frustrated because they lose their patience and their career ends before even it started. So stay consistent. In this field, consistency and effort is the key to success. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more money-making tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now go out there and start building your online income.